Let me show you something crazy. This started as a plain photo I took on my phone, and in just a few minutes, I turned it into a professional animated marketing video that looks like it came straight out of an ad agency. No fancy camera, no video team, no expensive software. All I used were 3 free AI tools and the right prompts. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to do it. How to take a simple photo of any product, clean it up to look studio ready, and then turn it into a sleek, high-end marketing animation that you can post on your social media, your website, or even use in paid ads. So if you've got a product to show off, or you just want to learn a skill that'll instantly level up your content, stay with me. You're about to see how to turn an ordinary snapshot into a professional commercial. All right, before we dive in, let's make sure you've got everything ready to go. You'll only need 3 simple tools, and of course, they're all super easy. Number 1, ChatGPT, or any large language model. We'll use it to create a smart, professional prompt that tells our AI image generator exactly how to make your photo look like it came from a high-end commercial shoot. Number 2, a tool called Nano Banana. It's an AI image enhancer that'll take your simple photo and clean it up. Think of it as your virtual retoucher. It removes hands, smooths lighting, and makes your product pop. And number 3, Google Veo, or any video generator that can turn a single image into animation. This is where your product finally comes to life. You'll also need a decent product photo. It could be something you shot on your phone. Just make sure it's clear, not too dark, and that the product is visible. We're going to polish it anyway, so don't worry about perfection. Got those ready? Perfect, because we're going to build the magic prompt that tells AI exactly what kind of image we want, clean, cinematic, and ready for animation. Now, let's start creating the foundation of your professional video, and that begins with a great image. We're going to use ChatGPT to write us a prompt for our image creator. This prompt will be a structured way to tell an AI image generator exactly what kind of photo you want: lighting, background, color, mood, everything. Open ChatGPT, start a new chat, and type this prompt in. I'll add it in the description for you guys. The only thing you'll change is the name of your product. For example, if you're doing this for a perfume bottle, replace where it says Coke bottle with perfume bottle. Ready? Here's the prompt. You are an expert prompt engineer. Produce a single valid JSON object for generating a professional advertising style image from an uploaded photo of a product. The product should be the central focus of the image, but don't describe it. We'll upload it later. Make it a 16:9 image with a clean, vibrant outdoor background. The lighting should be soft, controlled, and look like high-end commercial photography. Keep the composition balanced with lots of negative space, and make sure any logos or branding on the product stay sharp and visible. You can add subtle, abstract design elements that make the photo feel artistic, but nothing too literal, and no fake text or logos. The goal is a clean, professional product shot ready for animation. Output only a valid JSON object and nothing else. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will give you a box of code. That's your structured prompt. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but think of it as the blueprint for your product image. Every line in that tells your image generator what kind of lighting, composition, and mood to create. Here's what's happening under the hood. The background section ensures your photo feels professional, no messy clutter. The lighting settings give your product that soft, diffused look that brands use in commercials. The composition keeps your product centered and gives space for text or animation later. Once you've got that output from ChatGPT, copy it. We're going to paste it straight into Nano Banana in the next step, where it'll clean your original photo and turn it into a perfect studio quality image. So go ahead, grab your product photo, copy that JSON, and let's move on to polishing it up. All right, now it's time to turn that simple snapshot into a polished professional image, the kind of picture that looks like it came straight from a product campaign. We're going to use a tool called Nano Banana. It takes the product photo you already have and cleans it up, removes any distractions, fixes lighting, smooths out imperfections, and gives you that crisp, high-end finish. Here's what to do. Head over to Nano Banana, upload your product photo, the same one you plan to animate later, then paste your prompt you generated from ChatGPT into the text box or prompt field. Nano Banana will read that prompt like a set of creative directions. It'll know how to position your product, how to light it, and how to balance the background so it looks clean and professional. When it generates your new image, take a close look. Ask yourself a few things. Is the product centered and clean? Is the logo visible and sharp? Does the background feel professional, not cluttered or cheesy? If something feels off, say the background is too busy or the lighting looks too harsh, you can tweak the prompt a bit. Try lowering the saturation, asking for a softer light or more negative space. You can even rerun it once or twice until it feels right. Remember, this is the image you'll use to build your video, so take a few minutes to get it looking perfect. Once you're happy with it, export the image in 16:9 format. Save it, and that's it. You've just created a professional ad-ready product image, all from a regular photo. In the next step, we're going to take that image into Google Veo, and that's where the real magic happens. We'll bring your product to life with smooth motion, cinematic lighting, and a premium animation style that looks like it came straight from a brand commercial. Now, it's time to bring your product to life. We've got our clean, professional image from Nano Banana. Now, we're going to take that into Google Veo, which is an AI video generator that turns still images into motion, and the results look seriously premium. So, let's set it up. Open Google Veo, or whichever AI video tool you prefer. Create a new project, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, and choose 2 videos per prompt. I always choose this option because when you create 2 videos per prompt, one is always to the point. Like AI video creators can do a lot of mistakes. So with choosing 2 videos per prompt, you can avoid the headache and just choose the one you like more. Upload your refined product image, the one you just exported from Nano Banana. Now, we'll add the animation instructions. Just like before, we'll use a prompt. Don't worry, I will add this too in the description below. All you need to do is replace product with the name of what you're showing. Here's the short version of what it does. It tells Veo to create a smooth cinematic animation that feels luxurious and surreal. Your product will start floating in zero gravity. Orbiting lights or particles will swirl around it, and then, slowly, gravity turns, and the product settles beautifully onto a reflective surface like it's landing in a commercial shoot. So feed the prompt with the image into Veo and wait till it creates the video for you. It'll process for a bit, and then, boom! You've got a cinematic animated product video that looks like it was shot in a $10,000 studio. Before you finalize, check these quick pro tips. If your logo flickers, reduce orbit opacity or increase rim lighting. If your animation feels too busy, remove extra background elements or increase the blur. If the landing motion looks stiff, tweak the easing style back out, gives it a natural soft bounce. Once it looks smooth, premium, and polished, go ahead and export it in high resolution. And just like that, you've taken a basic product photo and turned it into a professional animated ad, completely with AI. This is the 2 clips I had created. Take a look at each of them. They have slight differences, but both are okay. And there you have it, from a plain photo to a professional marketing video, all done with the power of AI. You can use the same workflow for ads, product launches, client work, or even personal projects. It's a game changer for creators and small brands who want that big budget look on a zero budget setup. And if you loved this video, you'll definitely want to check out our other video, AI Wrote My Dating Profile. It actually worked. It's hilarious, it's a little bit chaotic, and it shows just how far you can push AI beyond business or branding. So hit like if this helped you, subscribe if you want more AI-powered creative tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what product you're going to try this method on. I'd love to see what you make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.